guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a slimming world friendly KFC Fakeaway. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name's Michelle and I upload videos every single week on things like cooking, cleaning, lifestyle. So if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. I absolutely love takeaways, as I'm sure most of you do, but I don't like all the calories and all the nasties in them. So whilst we're in isolation, I'm determined to make my own fakeaway. So what I'll be doing over the next few weeks is uploading a new Saturday night fakeaway every week. So make sure you subscribe for more. The first thing you need to do is to do the wedges. So I've just peeled and sliced around 3 or 4 potatoes, depending on the size. So I'm making enough for 4 people tonight. And then you want to parboil them in boiling water for around 10 minutes. Whilst you're doing this, make sure you preheat the oven to around 200 degrees.
Whilst the potatoes are cooking, you want to get your spice mixture for the wedges ready. You will need 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of bouillon powder and 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Drain the wedges, place them in the baking dish with the hot oil, mix around to coat in the oil, then sprinkle with the spice mix, give it a good stir, and then you want to bake this in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 40 minutes, turning a couple of times during cooking. It's now time to make the chicken burger. So what you want to do is put 30 grams of chili Doritos in a bag, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of onion granules, and then you want to crush these in the bag with a rolling pin until you have a crumb-like consistency. Get the chicken breast out and then whisk 1 egg and put it in a bowl and set aside. Then you want to pat the chicken dry just with some kitchen towel and then coat it with some corn flour, then egg, and place in a baking dish, and then repeat this for the other breast that you have. Once the chicken is coated in the flour and egg, it's time to add the spice mix. So you want to sprinkle that all over the chicken on both sides, ensuring it's completely coated. Then spray them with fry light and bake them in the oven for 25 minutes. Spray them again with the fry light, then bake for another 15 minutes until they're completely cooked through. After around 45 minutes, both the wedges and the chicken should be ready to serve with the garnish and sides of your choice. I'm not even lying, I actually prefer this version to the real KFC version, and it has the added bonus is that you don't feel disgusted after you've eaten it. It is super yummy.